Good Sunday afternoon, everybody. It's the 22nd February, and we're getting actually our second snowstorm of 26. Back in January, we had the 14 inches and all that, and we were basically in the single digits for about 3 weeks. Get up to about 15 degrees, down to 10 below at night. A lot of days never really got over 5 degrees. So we got our second storm coming here. And we got some temperature inversions and all that, and being close to the river, you can see the wonderful fog that we also have. It's just a joy to drive through. And everything, but trying to get back to the house. Went out and picked a few things up this morning. Stopped and checked on some people. Made sure the generators were filled up, because unlike the first snow that was light, this one's supposed to have some weight to it, and it gone from about up to 8 inches and everything. So we'll just have to see what it does, and I think they're calling for some pretty good winds also later on tonight and into tomorrow, Monday, up to about 45 miles an hour. And that heavy snow on tree limbs, that's not good. That's not good at all. You know, luckily on the first one we didn't lose any power, but it was a light snow. Then we got about an inch of freezing rain and sleet on top of it, but nothing really stuck to the trees, you know. It was not real bad, so no power issues there. So we have to see what this does and everything. You know, they did treat the roads. When I came home last night, they had those treated. And they use cinders up here a lot. You know, they'll put some ice melt down to spray the pickle juice. And then they'll put cinders down for traction, which work great. When they're first put down, but they have a tendency to scatter and pile up in the center of the road and off on the edge. And that doesn't do you much good. But yeah, guys, this is what we got going on today, unfortunately. But we just deal with it. I didn't do too much on the first storm that came in. Just wasn't feeling good. Everybody was tired. Just kind of stayed in a lot. Yeah, we're always starting to stick to the trees, you see. It's only been coming down for about 45 minutes. And the last snow, there was nothing sticking to the trees by this time. It was just all on the ground. But all right, guys, I'll keep you appraised of the situation. We'll see what's going on. I'll keep you all updated. Stay safe, stay well, stay prepped up. SNJN out.